Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the kit contents and washing your hands. This reduces contamination. Once ready, sit comfortably at the sink and place a cup of water nearby to spit into. Take 1 tablespoon of the herbal oil blend or the provided oil, then start gentle swishing. Move it through teeth and around gums for 10 to 15 minutes. Do this to loosen debris and allow botanical actives to contact plaque. Make sure to breathe through your nose and avoid swallowing the oil. Once oil pulling is done, spit the oil into the trash and rinse your mouth with warm water. Next, use the tongue scraper for 3 to 5 firm strokes from back to front to remove biofilm. Rinse the scraper after each stroke to avoid recontamination. After that, apply the herbal toothpaste and brush for a full 2 minutes using soft, circular motions to reach gum lines. Finally, swish the provided herbal mouth, rinse for 30 seconds, and avoid eating for 30 minutes so active botanicals can continue working. You finish by patting tools dry and sealing the kit to preserve herbs. Store in a cool, dark place to maintain potency. Make a habit of replacing oils or perishable items according to the label, usually every 6 months. If you notice irritation or a burning sensation, stop using the product immediately, rinse with plain water, and resume only after symptoms subside or after checking the ingredient list. If staining, persistent pain, or infection appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.